Heh, lade, CJ that jail. But guess what? Be free, so make a yam up your telephone and get pure dicky.
Mama, you know, see how you abandon me for dicky. And look how my life turn out now. You teach me to kick woman and backstone gal. And now me there at jail. Lord God, look what you did to my life.
Ah, son, me so sorry. Your mother is a wretched, bad mind old cow. Oh, God. Listen, just the way you can do while in jail and see if you can make some good friend.
Come here, you woman Marcia, or should I say gal? Yes man, me old on you, me a bigger man for you. You wanna look crusty. Not true me look young, every day you come in a phone at hour. Look at my face, look at my cheek, look at my this, look at my beautiful skin. Look on your age to how you look. Compare me, look on me. People me not come out have to pick up Chyn buckle, you know. Cause Chyn can fight her own battle. But what disgusts me is this dirty and scrupulous girl. Because as me say, me a call your girl who no like it, I just saw it go. Because you is not no woman. You is not no lady. You is not no mother. You is not no granny. You're coming like some old hit and run dead DOG out of Spanish Town Road and Old Harbour Road. That is what you're coming like. And you're coming like the one where as you get hit, them take them up and carry them to the dump. You are the one that stays same place. Sun take your rain, take your vehicle, run over, and just to the door where it right there. So that's how I describe you, Marcia. You're coming like some old DOG carcass where they on Old Harbour Road, pan the bypass, Mandela Highway, Spanish Town Road. That's what you're coming like. Some old carcass. You're going like say, and nobody out here make CJ becomes who he is. You're going like say, and nobody out here make you as the mother becomes who you is. After get such a great opportunity in life that so many people in life would want to grasp that opportunity even now, that time even harder. And you get the opportunity in life when things were far much easier. Not to mention into America. GDP, economy, everything was okay and nice in a year time. And you sit in America for 40 years and gaze out your days and waste out your time. At one point you were establishing yourself as a celebrity out here on social media. Before many of us knows you. You understand? You come to Jamaica, you floss, not for we get to know you through such woman. And when we just know you fool majority of we. Anyone who come out and come to Master never fool no liar. What me say? Anyone who will follow such lady and end up get to know this woman, plus someone who could know her before, a minority of uno, and come tell me on social media say uno never have Marcia as some form of rich woman or a celebrity or somebody way up there in a class. Me speak me mind tell uno say a lie uno I tell. Only to find out say you want all dead dent up. You understand what I say to you? I don't people. Wanna see with me? If me get out in that video, you wanna see with me? I know something I plan for cause me say me not come to pick up Chyn buckle. If me get out in the video, you wanna see with me? It leaves to how much I get into spirit as I go along in this video, people. This video is very disgusting. This video is, and Marcia keep on keeping up these things and she knows what she are doing. Because she figure more or less when she do these things, people would come at her and plus who she's speaking of and their kids or family, they will even come at her. So she will always have something to talk about. You understand? The way this woman come in her phone come and describe reasoning with Chyn kids. I never ever hear Chyn, despite all we are going, Chyn might just come out here and talk about the happenings and she will spend more time and if she grew up her, you understand? But no discrimination, calling down any judgment and Our son for say she want her son for unalive a man for doing this or woman for do this. I never hear Chyn say that yet. And I don't think Chyn have no picnic big as your son. And what you're saying in this video, you are referring to some small kids who probably don't even reach teenage age yet. I don't sure. I'm just saying. You understand? Some kids that don't even reach teenage age probably. All that you're saying you say you want man do to them and whatsoever if it happen to them. Why don't just deal with Chyn? Eh? If it didn't even come out here and say, boy, alright, me not like how she refer certain things to my son, but me gonna deal with her about decent then in another way there. Me not gonna wish nothing bad for her picnic, for not unalive and whatsoever. Go on, because remember you have picnic and anything possible for happen, we could have see with that. But not in this disgusting way that you come out here and deal with the woman, kids them. And one little nasty, dirty, fly batty one with the behind the pee pluck because it come like he had the and she had the fly. In there talk about what? Chyn look what she said? I remember. Chyn look dirty. Something like so. And when me look point at me and say about Kuya no. Uno are some really fly by day and pitch by night. Because uno never see Chyn yet into a video, but at the same time uno can describe her. Uno never see this young miss into a video yet and show her face, but instead uno can describe her. At one point she come out here and she said she look like this when she had tangled with Marcia. Marcia take it up and run with it how she look. The only thing uno can say, uno guess her image, her looks off of our profile picture on our platform. That's the only thing you can go, but you only in a comment section I talk up all kind of things. Someone are good at uniform a band. Someone are good at even like picnic or so much of them on a throw away. Someone come like puss. As you don't have the kitten them people take them. But in a comment section about Marcia like Marcia doing something good, or people just come at Marcia as a simpleton and somebody who don't trouble people outside here. This is the person who want to come out here and defend like she's innocent. All these things that have been said about Marcia and probably said about CJ, which is her son, is what she have said about people day in, day out before people even talk about Fiara Pitney. She come out here and she wish the worst from people and people Pitney. Whenever time the little social media cast go on and she can't take the heat in the kitchen and the pressure reach her and her gas was fly off and caught fire. She feel like she get burned. So what she do now, she come and she go below the belt. Because she want back a response, she want a reaction, she want to get a lead. That's not the way to go. There's so much thing you can't tell Chyn. Just like how you tell her in the video, so she this and she that, you don't know nothing about her. Chyn more know about you because you carry your lifestyle come out here. You understand? Chyn know how you look. Your day-to-day living and how you carry yourself, Chyn know about it because you carry it out here. You know see Chyn a carry for one out here. You carry myself, Chyn is tall or Chyn is short. What you gonna say? True she have a name Chyn and you know most Chinese short, she short? That you gonna say? But you come out here, you have your audience. A crucify and a chat all kind of things we don't have no knowledge and no sense about what we not talk about. People, you're going to play the video, you know, but remember me telling you, it is very disgusting. Because she claimed to say Chyn must have back the Ashanti with him full food argument where him fabricate and him have apps on him phone where anything happen to her. So we yo, me have to laugh. So Ashanti, me never know say you have apps where you can put on people to know what is going on with individual. So I was about CJ make you put a apps on him special. Eh? Cause she say you have a app so anything happen with it where our Pitney is concerned with the law, you get the information. One time guys she say you pay people. Figure your information. So now she say you have the apps. So why are him alone you have apps on? Eh? That's why I'm important. People only know what to do. It is so easy. I say I can take a time out and calm down because I feel like I have an outburst in that video. Yeah. When she reach certain part, I don't sure. But you can prepare for it. So, you know what to do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you like the video. Please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. It's a festive season that your favorite channel gets some extra amount of commercial on them channel. Because it's a Christmas season, everybody want advertisement. So everybody pay YouTube for advertise. And you know, we are the ones who do that part of the job. When YouTube get the contract, then pass it on to we. So you're going to see a little extra ads than the normal. So don't get frustrated. Or don't in too much eager for listen to the video and skip the ads. And left out your favorite channel by supporting it. Please don't skip the ads and don't skip the video. Alright, it's a festive season. Make a benefit or we are benefit. All year round, we entertain you, we bring you the latest, we bring you all kind of things where you not go over there so go listen or whatsoever. This is a time where if you don't normally would have it to send a drink or a gift or whatsoever, go ahead and watch the ads. Pay your dues, pay your tithes by watching the ads. You watch the ads. If you don't have the physical drink or gift to give, by watching the ads, call it say you give the gift. Not say if you can't watch the ads and still have a gift you can't give it to your favorite support platform as a supporter. Because that's what we need, supporters, not fans. We now come out and come beg dinner, balloon for decorate house and all these things. So please to watch the ads. We now beg fingernail for do and ear do and all them sitting there. And remember, Life is a Mission TV, my backup channel. Please go and subscribe to it. And remember, the extension of the channel is on TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok, like the videos, comment on the videos, and watch them. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is still 87 subscribers now. Please and thanks, go over there and give her a subscription. Give her that for the Christmas. It's over here now. I'm asking for the assistant. And it wants 87 more subscribers to reach that 1,000. So please give her a subscription. The cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. Go ahead. If you feel free, it's not a charity. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy, and it's that time of the season. And remember, go on Instagram, find Charms _and_ Trends business page. Anything you see on it customized, anything you see on it, you can get it customized as a gift for your loved one for the Christmas. It's a season for giving gift. Don't give just an ordinary gift. Give a gift with meaning. Give a gift with significance. Don't make the same gift in each household look like yours. If you even buy the water bottle, change it up and make it look different from your neighbor and your neighbor and your neighbor own. And what better place to go? Charms and Trends. Go into the DM, drop them a DM, quick. You get a response from customer service for any information you want. Or you can go straight to the website and purchase charmsandtrends.shop. Anyway, people, I could get into the video right away. I remember disgusting. You can't say, me never tell you no. Very disgusting. Any mother over your son, even if he's a father over your son, I don't know, see this video disgusting. But me, I have to bring it because I want to see the type of people we have to deal with, the type of human beings we have to deal with. They will go any length and breadth to make sure they are the winner. They are the achievers. Alright? Listen.
Me just pass over YouTube. And me see one look out kill this dirty girl from yard. So dirty stinking girl. Your name start with RC. I would have say RWC. Let me ask you a question. So let me ask you a question. Dirty RWC. Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question tonight. Me look like somebody stressed you?
Your past
Me
stress.
look like somebody unhappy to you?
Your
And do
past
I
stress. Yes, I
look
put on
like
a
any one of
face.
you dirty, negro, non-emancipated blood clot I beat me bad out here?
If you no stress over what your son I do, that every minute him in a run into the law, whether the same case, this next case or harder case, there must be something wrong while him jump bail. Right? And if you pretend as if you love your one and only Bonono son so much, and him is going through this, where him also put you through something because of who you pretend to be on social media and you not feel no way. That simply mean you never love him. But at the same time, you never do not feel me in younger days. You give me like puss kitten. You understand? Remember, him never needed to get adopted for reach America, you know, in born America. You did end up give away like puss kitten also. But at the same time, you did want assistance for reach America for better your life. In born every day you sing same as an American citizen. So if you not feel no way, something wrong, you never love him.
Then you fi come tell me now say, because the old drain out behind the boy put me pitney name. One in dirty stinking slut dog put me pitney name pan alert website to see when anything happen. Them have information. How is it that my son, it is you, how is it that can't?
So you say, Marcia, them I know what happened to your son before you even know? How will the Rasta Jadis? Cause them having apps alert? Apps alert? How will the caca this?
Take me and me and
Apps
people
alert.
beat me bad and people beat me bad.
That one you
Worry
knew.
about your blood clot pitney will live at Jamaica.
Tell about
when man
technology.
soon draw away and rape off them blood clot and kill them and dash them over bush.
On the ear.
Go worry about that.
What it more come,
Blood
man?
clot stinking slut dog girl.
What it more come? You hear?
Reasoning with blood clot Chyn, you may talk to. Go and worry about your pitney them when man soon saka and kidnap them blood clot and go use their organ and go send them a foreign, go put in other somebody. Go worry about that. Worry about.
And remember now, you know, this is not like somebody where you have to fatigue if you should come out like this. You know, sometimes you fatigue some people and them come out. She is always like this. Remember, as far as Uno can remember, she's always like this. Whenever time the pressure reach her and she chip, she go right below the belt, she no matter. And in this video, she go acknowledge what she a do. So she know what she a do and she no care. Wanna listen?
Your blood clot life and
These are people where people come out here are different.
So which part out here may read my own medicine?
What's about you make everybody nope. Go at you? No more something wrong.
Is it your son?
But them no, use it as a Lord, so much on upon the one woman. Because of her behavior.
Say what? Is it a crime? Did my son commit any blood clot crime? Didn't commit any crime? More than anybody else.
When the court find him guilty and put him where you go and know if him commit crime.
Didn't commit any crime? More than anybody else will commit some big crime out here.
Big or smaller crime.
Crime like them 4 or 5 or 6 pitney will rape of a little girl.
Them are going to do them time. So prepare for CJ to feel time.
What make you not go get a life? Drain out battery blood clot dash cemetery behind girl. We walk a suck hood like a dog.
Come and assault that man.
Who you talk about so them fi beat me bad out here?
Marcia, back in the days, when you tell a woman that, you embarrass her. When you tell a woman that right now, upliftment. When you tell a woman say she do that right now, it's upliftment, Marcia. It's no more embarrassment. So you're there back at time. Right now, if you ever establish a woman that do that, a man see it, she can easily becomes a millionaire, not to mention if she do it good. So when you feel like you bring down a woman when you tell her she do that, uplift you, uplift her. Back in the days, in the 80s, or early 90s, when a girl do that, she feel embarrassed and shame. No, a 2-day talk, not even 3-9, 2 day, because probably when the people them find out that she do that, they might surprise if you know. But after 2 days, come on, walk free up and down the road like nothing ever happened. A upliftment that, Marcia. Come and assault that now.
Which part him can't beat me bad? Eh? Slimy germs, the blood clot hates the slut dog, so pussy boy, Ashanti Trixie can't beat me bad. We broke clot, no blood clot, have to walk on a suck stinking pussy if survive. Him can't beat me, bad. Eh? You know your blood clot Ashanti and none of the supporters them can't walk in and a CJ shoes are my shoes.
You woulda want to do that.
They can't live like me and CJ.
Who woulda want to live that the dirty careless life there?
They can't walk in and none of will leave, none of know where chat. Who won't you beat me? What kind of karma take me more than where
how much time for 1 year CJ run a foul of the law? Who want to live in that?
Social media talk about me every day.
Me almost 2 times CJ age and me never run no problem with the law if away from traffic violation. And me just short of being 2 times CJ age. What I said? CJ what? 25? Me pass CJ age 2 times long time. Cause CJ at 25, me pass him age long time. 99. I'm at 25. I got 26.
Yeah, if you save that blood clot for Christmas, me take that bumbo clot and go shopping today. Go buy 4 pair sneakers.
Chyn, I save her YouTube money for Christmas. Martha said she take fair one and go shopping today. Cause it's an early Christmas shopping you go. What if Chyn want to go on the Christmas day or day before Christmas? What you try to explain your son? Say a YouTube Chyn have to depend upon for go do a Christmas shopping. Then a YouTube you have to depend upon for go shopping today. Marcia say she make 1.5 million Jamaican dollar every week. And I say you know, go and hear it for yourself because you know me not tell lie. And that's why I play them video for you listen what them say. She love talk about Jamaica and put on Jamaica, you know, but it still she want to calculate her money in a Jamaican money at all times. Dollar is a dollar for you. But based on what she say every week when she calculate her money, she work 1.5 million Jamaican dollar. How long now you do that, Marcia? Alright, so you do that for like the past 2-3 weeks. Put it at a month. And you calculate your money in a Jamaican. Your account where you say you have a Jamaica, the figures move. Me ask, me no know you no ask, me ask. And if you even come out and come show your book, we can know if the figures move. Reason being, we are going to see the dates. So you can't come out and come lie. Because if you are worth 1.5 million Jamaican dollar, because you check the US dollar equivalent to Jamaican, and you not put nothing in an account where you have a Jamaica, why check it that way then? You too lie. What kind of blessing God give you so? All of a sudden you come from out of the gutter where feces cover you. And you say God lift you up and God lift you up, pass him up in the sky there. Because you come like God lift you up, pass him, you know. That you come now in such a short time I work 1.5 million Jamaican dollar a week with your liar self. Who you try to fool out here? Me tell you say you not put on a face in about your stress. Stress bad.
Too much money. Me not ask you.
That's all you can come out and come brag about.
Plus $250 bag.
If you end up in a right now, CJ want a lawyer money, then the clothes they can't sell back. Then they can't put up as asset.
Dirty, stinking,
well,
slimy,
the clothes you talk about and food.
And my paycheck may not even change it yet. Last week paycheck not touch. And this week paycheck deposit. Beat bad out here.
Every day you talk about clothes and food. That's why I live for big tough permit, all man.
My son has never been tried with none of them cases yet and guilty.
Big old retired old man, senior citizen. We should have live nice, decent life. All they can talk about is clothes and food. No asset if you end up in a problem. Or your grandkidney or your pitney. Well, you all thinking.
Go and look at your generation. Your daddy will fuck you off. Go and look at that.
You look at hype, because you don't know
nothing about it. You look like one of them little girl where daddy saka your whole blood clot.
She look like, but you look like one, that's why you... I would have that reach down a country, make them adapt you, you know.
And that you figure do. Go therapist.
Because the advantage, you did that take care of you. That's why you must know all about this.
Like say you're more intelligent, you're more brighter than nobody.
That you got Chyn for. That you got your girl for. Because your sister, everything you try, she can do better than you. Singing, anything at all.
I don't call me blood clot, name me your bumbo pussy clot.
Where? You give your pitney like puss kitten. Where?
Go soak put your parasite pussy that's on G's. And don't call me name out. No call me name.
The big watermelon we have on and you expose into your phone drop and that you go soak. The watermelon we have on there. Where when the phone drop and we see like one bag of old cloth on you. But you have on jars. I be old cloth to fall upon you. How will you stop your leak?
The bumbo cloth boy have a hap. When put by my son name and anytime anything happen, the app pop up. Move your bumbo pussy cloth from here, so. But members only now support. Them no want a blood clot sheet. Me no desperate for no bumbo clot money. Me walk enough money blood clot stinking pussy clot girl. When me walk a blood clot a week time, can pay 2 blood clot mortgage. Dirty girl, let me make that clear.
And you don't own no way. So you have an ambition?
Your bumbo blood clot.
No
Me
ambition.
make blood clot over 1.5 million per week. In a Jamaica money. Your pussy clot no make that. Go sit your bumbo.
And what kind of work? And what kind of CEO work Marcia get? And what kind of managing director work Marcia get? Cause me not think nobody in America right now I work in a fair caliber what we know of. I work so much money. Every week you work equivalent of 1.5 million. That is like 10,000 US a week, you know, people. Make we put it at 15 for one. That is 150 for one. That is like 10,000 US a week, Marcia work. Jesus Christ. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall always want. Who no want or who have it already? And who have it still want? Why must not I want? I would be a idiot. In the name of Jesus. Marcia working 1.5 million Jamaica. 1.5 million Jamaican. That's the equivalent of 10,000 US dollar a week. Marcia, you just put on a show. These are the things that prove that you are sick. These are the things that prove that something is wrong with you. You were covered by filth, murky waters. You understand? And all of a sudden, so much righteous people and godly people out there need assistance. And just for you to go into a tent with an intention for God to help you, God turn his eye on you and help you in abundantly. That you come from the gutter of filth and murky waters. From nothing to a whole heap of something. Not just nothing to something. Nothing to a whole heap of something. That you all fly high above the Almighty will help you. You are worth 10,000 US dollar a week. That's the equivalent of 1.5 million dollar. I wonder if you know what you say. When you say it. Because one time you go for name the figure you stutter, you know, so I wonder if you really know, cause you know, so upstairs, you know. So probably the figure where you want, you know, right. Probably a 500 US dollar you want to say the equivalent of XYZ. 1.5. Marcia, we are tell that if you go down a Cayman's Park and want to drop down on the truck right now, and you go over him and talk that him no need no vet. Marcia, if you go a Cayman's Park tomorrow morning on the exercise track and want to ask drop down on the truck, and you go over him and tell him this, Marcia, him no need no vet. The trainer and the owner no need to call no vet, because that ass must revive back. Hey, continue lie, Marcia, continue lie.
Clot down, slut dog, bitch ass, blood clot girl. Both them fi beat me bad and them fi ride me. You jealous? Because you have to come and depend on YouTube money? And I don't? Move your bumbo clot from here, so. You wish you can go shopping like me. You wish you can ever live like
That
me.
you
You
live
wish you
for,
can
Marcia.
blood clot walk in my shoes,
Marcia,
not
that
in
you
time
live
at
for.
all. Move from here so I'll get some cycle at.
Go see if you pass now, them a fear old sauce fi bury you. If you ever fi pass right now, them a fi old sauce fi bury you. Because nothing what you have is asset. Be a look old clothes, cheap clothes, not no value. So if you even put them out in a jumbo sale, it still can't, unless them a give you one little dog funeral. You know, like when time you have one nice dog where you like and him deceased, You dig one hole and put him down nicely. Some people are go better than that and do it like it's a human being. Pass. Myself, all the way you talk about you know no value. If you pass tomorrow morning a sauce of them will fi bury you. Because as you get $1, all you do is clothes and food for come on social media come brag. You can't brag upon people with food and clothes because that is no value, Marcia. Marcia, me have shoes on my bed, a dry rotten. Buy and wear on 1-2 time and a dry rotten. Me have pants in my wardrobe I didn't even wear yet, Marcia. Let me show you. Me the right side light. Make I show you something. You know long me have the cycle bunny yellow top ya? Over here now. And not even try me not try it on. Me just buy it off a size and looks and say yes, I'm my size. Over here now and all no put on. And me the buy it so me I wear to do on black pants. Cause me like yellow and black. You understand? Yeah, me like yellow and black. And no wear Marcia. You can't come size up with people with clothes. And probably the money when me pay for that, Marcia, I can't get it back. Probably the money when me pay for that, I can't get it back, Marcia. Jesus Christ, Marcia, you can't come out here come brag upon people with clothes. Worse people where you even know. You talk to people where you don't know, you know, or if you size up with people where you don't know about clothes. Because that is what you are living for, food and clothes. Nothing no set aside for any form of real emergency where you can run to. Because here you live into America, so you tell yourself you're an American citizen, so you must get help from the government. If it's a homeless shelter, it's there for you. If a free health care, if you drop down, them are going to give it to you. If I even carry at the lowest hospital, where them look after dog and vet for you, look after you. You understand? Them are going to carry you. If I even make a vet look after you, them are going to carry you because you're American, you're an American citizen. And then probably look like an animal species of the zoo. So probably the vet them just give you a pass and look after your master. But if you come out with collaterals or asset, there is none you have. Where you go tell them, say, go in your storage, all of them garbage you in there, we value $20,000 US. How can you value garbage at $20,000 US? Those are recycled things. And if you carry them to the recycle place, them now buy it for that.
Your blood clot head man.
And that is just one. If you go in that stuff with pants and other shirt. When me no wear yet, them all get tight and give me Christmas now. I'm gonna try and we fit me. Let's keep it when I fit me the carrot but give it. I'm gonna tell you about things you're gonna wear it or just wear one time.
We are concerned about him for. Me no want no blood clot help from nobody boy.
Nobody not offer you no help because of who you is.
Me don't want no help. CJ don't want no blood clot help from nobody out here.
Yeah, pride I got take on.
Nobody we don't want help from. Did
pride
we
I got take on.
I feel pity. Are you push him out the 23rd of May, 1999? Move your bomb clot from here.
Pride
I go
I got
mind
take
your
your
blood
master.
clot business.
I really don't want the help you
And that
now
if you
take
go
it.
do. Go and mind your business. Anybody want help from you? You see me go to here and make money if you take him out of jail?
One reason make you take pastor money last year, you know. One reason make you take pastor $1,000 last year. I should say 2 reasons. You never believe say somebody that take up $1,000 US and give to you. That's one. And the main reason why you take that money is because you feel like say nobody would have known about it. Because you come out here and talk with people in high places watch you. Them time they are Pastor Miller, you know. Through Pastor Miller reach out to her and she know Pastor Miller reach out to her and she come and brag because that's all she wants in her bragging rights. Pastor Miller, you have people in high places watch you, all pastor watching you and them tell you say them hear your cuss. But them like how you go on and thing and way. You never know say it did go broke out because you never know say Pastor did I reach out to more than one of you. And the more than one of you, 2 of them is against you. That when you find out that you were so upset. But if you didn't ever know that, your pride wouldn't allow you to take him money. So all when CJ down there so, and somebody reach out to you publicly, if you probably want $2,000 to get him out, you're not going to take it because of pride. You prefer him stay down there. Pride. And you know why? Because of how you portray yourself out here. And your behavior towards people out here. Because you just feel, just like how your friend Tina feel like she's supposed to be the only baker. Because as somebody in this diaspora started to bake, she have all kind of negative attendance towards the person. All three of them was friends. You understand? It's just like you. You just feel like say you should be that one. You understand? You're not supposed to be in a second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. No, you're supposed to always be number one. And what you do out here to be number one? Nothing at all you have done out here to be number one. So how you want to be number one? Not even your work that you claim that you have done out here before now, and we were out here just what day. We can't go and say we could go in a history and dig it up to pay your respect despite your behavior. There is nothing in the archive, nothing to prove your worth out here. But you want to be number one. What we must do, go off of your word of mouth. When you flip-flop so much time, even in a live, you say something no one by a minute after you contradict what you just said few minutes ago. That we must go off and believe you? No, we want to see what is in the archive. And then we make our decision from that. And give you your flowers. But not even that is there, but you want number one. What you do for get number one? Talk.
Did I come out here and
you come out, you come march, the young girl. The young girl, you come out, you come march, you come from Woodland Village. I wish part of a country you come from, that's why you come out, you come march. It wasn't a random person where you don't know, or somebody where you know, because she come from in your parish. Where?
Well, me don't need to sell no blood clot sheet because I'm working enough can't sustain me.
We'll soon find out. We'll
so
soon
I
find
hit
out.
mad your blood clot the whole I know. Both them fi beat me bad and karma take me away. Karma take who? Then and members only not supporting. But then if members only
I'm a karma alone I go take you. All Lama I go take you too.
Members only
Karma husband I go take you too. Lama. No worry.
Everybody out here have them cross and tribulation I go through. Financial situation, man problem, all kind of problem. They don't need to take up
right now, me not have none. Me comfortable. With God thanks.
What them going to take up from me and say, what can they do? Me don't want the money from them. CJ don't want the money from them. So what do they need to take up from?
Give God thanks. The blessing that God has given me through Corona, I have to give him thanks for it. I mean, now come out, you come flip flop.
Your day soon come. Stay there by your blood clot page and wish badness for me.
The amount of bad you wish to people out here. Yeah, get back some of your medicine now, yeah, bad with bitter. Take it! Else we are going to drench you. If you don't want to take it by will, we are going to drench you.
Me your blood clot, come here, live for you. Me a live for you. Remember my words, you know. Stay by your page. Stay by your page and keep on wishing bad for me. Stay by your blood clot page and keep on wishing bad for me. You must go down one of them there. You must come on this page and tell the people of your problem. You must come by and tell the people them problem. Go and run up your blood clot thinking parasite 14, boy. You must come up here. Go and wish bad. But me come on social media, come go on with things and karma take what? What is the secret? I feel your blood clot business. Where you want to come up, come tell you now. Oh, CJ, they have a court case and them never go. Move your bumbo blood clot from your dirty girl. What kind of karma? Eh? What kind of karma? Oh, CJ, they on social media? Me want to know if CJ they on social media. For me, if you come out, you come advertise to no dirty pussy clot. Oh, CJ, my supporters them.
So,
you know what my son, you know.
So when other people business not on social media, or family or kids not on social media, and you drag them out here on social media, did you ever think about that? Say the people in business and them picking on social media are family? Eh? We don't need you to come out and come talk. Shanti have the apps. No, you say so, and no, me say so, you know. You say Shanti have the alert apps. I remember somebody who have the alert apps. So wait, so why somebody that get the alert apps say your pitney? I was so special about your pitney. I saw them sure say I'm always in a run-ins with the law. So they make sure get the apps pan him with the alert. Yo, them bug CJ.
Him did in a like a problem about 2 years ago, and you know, same supposed to go to court and him not got him skip the and him not go to court, and you know, say anytime the police the judge them can send warrant for him to say if you put him back. Oh, that you want to come out here? I say move your blood clot from your thinking, girl. What kind of karma? What kind of karma? Jail make your blood clot that? What kind of karma? What kind of karma?
Come like you're proud of your son in there. But as I say, you have to just put on a face.
Members only laugh for what?
You have to just put on a face. We know that. We know you're feeling. You're hurting. You're burning inside.
Go skip court case? Me never know. I never know say me skip court date. I never know. I mean like a baby.
She getting there again, you know. Wanna listen?
Me want to know if I am the one who skip court case. How that affect me? How that affect me? CJ have to learn from the mistake. We all have a journey in life. We have to go through in life. CJ going through theme one. We all have a journey. We all have a hurdle that we have to climb. For your blood clot time soon come. It coming.
You're one
Yeah, there are
of
some
them
people
before.
who sit down and for them time soon come. You know amount of mothers right now sit down right now have problems. You know amount of mothers right now in the same position with CJ. Him have to
You
learn.
look company.
Him have to learn. So how does
The
that
way you
affect
go
me?
on.
How
It
does that
shouldn't
affect
be
me?
so.
How does that affect me? No form of way for me to sit down and people, nobody knows sorry for me. When the blood clot,
But-
did I come out to ask the money?
But really and truly, people want to blame Marcia. Me ask you a question, honestly. Why want to blame Marcia for CJ? Remember, Marcia give a CJ as a puss kidney, you know. So him never grew up around her. So him never have no real motherly love. Wanna listen to the intro? Wanna listen yesterday in yesterday morning intro? I wanna listen to that intro, yeah? I know me say so, CJ say so. And him say so, I know me. Wanna go like a me say so. Wanna listen to the intro and you CJ say yesterday and today. In other one, yeah. He never have no motherly love, so don't blame her. The only thing you can blame her for, say if she never give me as a puss kitten and try to raise him, probably he gonna turn out to be this. But then again, if she can't raise herself and come up to a Christian home, she have been to a Christian home and she couldn't raise herself after leaving that Christian home from a tender age where she dead till she reach a certain age. And she becomes who she is, Yasso, the serpent. You understand? One will expect, say, probably CJ the worse. Me I tell you no, say it's a good thing. Whosoever did have him, or she give him to raise him. You understand? Alright, so I'm not blame her. He would have probably worse.
Come out here, bumbuck like that girl, and ask for money to help with my son? Did I come out
Shame
here
and
beg
pride
your
are
bumbo
make
pussy
you not do
blood
that.
clot? Nah.
You might call behind closed door as you normally do. Closed
Did I come
door.
out here ask for nothing? No.
You're not going to come public. You're going to go and
Did I
UC.
come out here? How the blood clot here call up my members only people them name? How the hell you calling up my members people them name? Did I come out here with the pussy clot here watch me for nasty slut dog dirty girl Chyn? What you watching me for? Go suck out your man bumbo clot. You not gonna lie down and make him piss in your blood clot mouth. I give you golden shower. When
You
the
know
blood
about them
clot
something
you
them master,
never
you
watch
get
me
it
for.
regular.
Me not know you.
A regular master
I
get them
don't
sitting
know
there.
you and I wish not to know you. Your day soon come when you get
You don't
your
know her, you
blood
know so
clot
much about her.
I don't know what kind of mongrel blood clot dog shit pit them you have, but them soon grow bigger.
Wanna hear her? But when me I say, what kind of cussing you cuss somebody? Like you know them. But at the same time, you state it that you don't know them. So how you cuss a person like you know them? You say you idiot? You are cuss somebody and you wanna tell them about themselves. It's supposed to be like you know them or you get news where you can depend upon the person who give you the news about them. You're gonna say you don't know them. You're going back on the woman pitney now. I want Chyn come out here come. Don't row me. Me not do it. Me not take up our battle. You see why they all come out here when I post it too, even my one supporter them, I did declare it, you know, so you know, me not do pitney. I declare that long time, say me not do pitney and sickness and them something there. But when Master come out of my pitney, me I come out of a fear one. Not to mention, me not have no sympathy because my one wouldn't be the first and my one wasn't the last. She come out here for many of us kids. You understand? And when me go so boom, I drop the thumbnail them up there. When me drop the thumbnail them up there, I reach out and I talk about, boy, I support your channel, but I don't like this, leave kids out. How can you feel sorry for somebody like this? Because someone put out her grandson out there when she has done the same thing as putting out kids out there. We can't put out CJ really, you know, because CJ a big man. So we are going to go back at her with her youngest in the family, which is her grandson. She claimed to say she loves so much and she not playing no part in her life. Because most of us who should come out here against our kids might not have any kids as old as CJ. Our kids might in the same young age, probably not baby, but in the young age, well, she come out against me and my son. And my son at 8 months. You understand? And when she come out at my son at probably 2 months ago, that's when he was at 6 months. And then when me do what me do, una tell me say me must do it. Me tell you already, me no fight fire with water. Because you can throw the water and you say yes, the fire out. As you turn your back, the fire blaze up back. Me fight fire with fire. And you just left it down that and you understand what I mean. Alright. Me not fight no fire with water when me turn my back. Sparks burn me. You must say mad. Because me drop my guard now because I say me out it. You must say mad.
Man soon two-step them and fuck them off. And slaughter them.
You hear?
Here I go. Yes, I said so.
You hear her? Here I go.
You.
Yes, I said so. So she acknowledge what she said. She know what she are saying. It's no slip off the tongue. She already know what she have to say and she say it without any remorse.
What? Yes, I said so. I mean, I go march for them. I don't
so march come out, you come sorry for Marcia. Marcia not sorry for nobody.
Yeah, go on like you're nobody, boy. Move your bumbo clot from here. If you don't come on social media, come make a little change, you make up a little dividends away. I walk here. Nothing now go on for your dirty girl. Move your bumbo clot. Every day come out, I go on like a chat in a rhyme and I go on like you're somebody. You're nobody. Eh? Who the blood clot is 360? Eh? More than him is a bipolar blood clot jailbird. Who is he? Bumbleclad, who is he? Coming up here bringing up fabrication story and getting false information on social media and fabricating. What the blood clot you talking about? Eh? What you talking about? Move and go get a bumbleclad life. You dirty bumbleclad. Look how something that go on in Jamaica, I see I go on TikTok. We go talk about
you are come out and come talk about them?
You look a girl, look a boy, they rape off. So for your bumbo clot, go teach for your pit them, we stay away from blood clot little boy and come at them ras yard. And that you go do what?
What CJ I do now, people are do it long time. Where you never teach CJ not to do it. Oh, sorry, you couldn't teach him because you never in his life. You were so much a distant away from his life. That not even 2 hours, an hour or half an hour couldn't take you anywhere he was as his mother to see if you can console him. You understand? And try to fix his mind and put him back on the right track. So, me shouldn't ask you that.
Talk about that. Go spend your bumbleclad time and go invest in a war, go on a yard, a whole heap of things that go on a yard. I go over TikTok and I see them march with hotel and all kind of sin thing and what's it clot, blood clot name in your bumbo, blood clot in your mouth. And that if you go do, don't call me name in your mouth. Me not know you. Be happy over here. Me not know about you. You look like your blood clot sad. And me name me I call up for go look pussy clot money, you look nasty blood clot supporters them over there. We jealous of me. With the bomb clot you not jealous for me the suck crotch. Who not walk and watch me for? Oh, not jealous. Because one poor ugly girl with caca. Why make you stop work down there? You know should have did they said we. You workless and you come out here and talk about people. You bumbleclad workless and you dirty stinking
She gone
supporters them
for
a call people
360
name.
now.
And use a man. Use a man, you're worthless. Go and look at job and pay your taxes. Use a rapist. You rape off the handicapped girl in Jamaica. You could even breed one regular girl. You have to breed a handicapped girl. Move your dirty bumbleclad, your workless dirty boy. Go work. Sit down on social media and beg Cash App and Zelle and Star. Go blood clot work. Use a man. Leave woman alone. Don't grudge me for me drawers where me have on. Go buy your own drawers. Use worthless. Yeah, no man, I don't understand how them a blood clot woman come up the nerve to come up here and a cuss as a hard working girl like me.
Hard working what? Just like how you have the one in your comment section, a cuss Chyn and a call her dirty. And the rest. McFarlane and the whole of them. Are the same way people are have people in a feed them comment section to support them. I do the same thing to you. Have you delete none of those comments? Have you tell none of these people not to write these comments on your page? No. So that simply means you side with it. And you do see it because guess why? You read comment next to it. This is not like all me would do a video now and you know people comment and there's so much comment coming. Sometimes you might see them, some you don't see. You understand? You see it because you do a live so the comment run while you talk. You see it and you read comment on top of comment where it's derogative and negative and you read comment below. So you must see it and you don't write those things in your comment section. You don't delete them. So why you have a problem when people go in and other people comment and bring you down? Where? How you man? Why you not go on stage make them boo you? Sure.
We depend on my own and depend on people. And you know work for years. You come on social media scam people like a blood clot dog shit. You's a thief. You have to scam and collect money for people at Jamaica to survive and take it for yourself. You's a drug addict. You're nobody. I don't know how you come and run up your thinking mouth. Your mouth stink. Go brush your teeth and go to dentist. Go fix your teeth. You is workless.
You kiss him already?
You sit me blood clot stomach. You're nasty and dirty.
Look what call somebody nasty. Like somebody will live in a somewhere who manufacture roach and rat. And live with puss. Where she not be.
How the blood clot woman can come out and cuss me? How can a woman take up for a workless man like you? You's a dog. You's a mongrel dog. You workless man. How the blood clot people chat to you? You're worthless. Not worthless, worthless. For your man. You not even have a girlfriend. You're lonely. You're nobody. Look at you. Look on a blood clot midget like you. Look at you. Eh? Look at you, you're cranny. Me don't know how woman did I kiss you.
Marcia really. Marcia, you have a heart for you describe people. You have a heart for you describe people. You have a hard person must know what you describe nobody. Cause hard you feel like you look good with all them the big old cheekbone there. But look at my cheekbone, look at my cheekbone. Speak my mind people. I only want to see. When you see platform holders out here dealing with people like Marcia in any form of way, involving her kids, involving her in certain things and deal with her and say certain things about her. It's either if you don't like it, cut on the eye pass it. But don't comment on it, please. Don't comment. Because when you comment, it's like you side with her. Because you know, if you're somebody out here, you know the type of person where we out here deal with. Or when she come out here to talk about people, kids and people and a all. She no mince words. She wish the worst things upon you and your picnic and your business. One of the main things she wish for you to be unalive. But yet still when we come out here as platform holder and retaliate on our platform, you people have a lot to say. And me can't understand. It's not like when it's passed by, we just a pass by and buck up on something, you know. You don't know where going. And not like you don't know. You understand? So when you come out, it's like you not justify say what she do, it's okay for she to do it. Leave her alone, man. Make sure do what she do. No. The same sitting we run through your son. And it run through she. Might have different color and quality. And I see him something we have on. And I see him kind of sitting and I have some grizzly and bone. You understand? So, me don't want to come out here come like I'm not playing sorry for anytime all a video like this now. I don't feel like say people for come out here and just deal with Marcia calm and easy. Me glad me not really get out because me say me not really want trouble Chyn back because guess what me know? Me know Chyn can't fight her battle. You notice all now she still talk about what Chyn do with the burying something. With her picture upon funeral. All know she talk about it. That hurts. And this is how you want to do them people here. Slower. Slow pop, 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 pop. You don't want slow pop, pop. Yeah. You don't just dismiss them fully. You slow pop, 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 pop them. So basically you say that what Chyn do her, it a slow pop, pop, pop her. That's why every minute she come out here come talk. Oh, you're the first one take my name and put my picture put on earth, you know. So you know deep down inside it'll work. It'll work deep down inside you and comfortable when it take place up to today. That's how you deal with people like Marcia then. So you see me put up all them thumbnail and sitting them, you know it hurt more than how me come out come dissect her video. Cause even that me she talk about. So those things hurt her even more. And I saw you deal with people like them, yeah. Slowly but surely. Yeah, man, you just deal with them, make them dissolve in the water slowly. Yeah. Might take a while, but just slowly, but it's sure. Now get rid of them one time, man. Pain. While them now again. Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Happy Tuesday. You know they do it is very easy. So easy to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Remember, don't skip the ads. It's a time for ads. Support your favorite channel in watching the ads. Don't skip them. Don't be frustrated when you see 4 or 5 ads that pop up on one video. The video now run gonna wait to start right back from where it stopped. Sometimes it will start back couple seconds before where it left off. If we go to the ads. And remember the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Go subscribe. And follow me also on TikTok. Life is a Mission TV. Like the videos, follow me, make sure you hit that follow. And make a comment. And make sure you state One Nation so me know cause some of the username over TikTok might be different from over here. And me can identify my people them. Alright, and remember Life with Gabby and Chevy, she need like 87 more subscribers. It is coming slowly and we can do it. We can do it. All only when you subscribe to her yet, just looking on yourself and just go up on the phone and go in on my comment section of the videos and just hit that blue writing and hit the word subscribe, press your post notification bell and give her a subscription. We can do it. We have 31 days in January, in December, and we still have about what? 6 days to go in this week or 5 days to go in this week. So we have at least 36 days. And we can't do this in a one day. Because there's a lot of you subscribe to her. So go ahead. You understand? Trying set of young people trying to, you know, do YouTube. Wherever it's going to take them, we don't know. It's their destiny. They are the one who is going to decide where they want to go by putting in some hard work. Because getting monetized, you have to put in work now. The work just start. if you want to earn from the channel. Alright, the channel can't just monetize and earn. You have to put out the work to earn. Alright, so let's give them a subscription and make sure say we did assist them in that part. So them know if you carry on the mantle. And remember, the cash app is there, $ charms and trends. When you gift me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. And you know when I give back to greedy, and it's that time of the month. And remember, go and support Charms and Trends. Check out them business page on Instagram. Charms _and_ trends on Instagram. Anything you see over there get customized. Just drop it in the DM for further information. Or go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Bless upon yourself. Happy Tuesday. Me have a follow-up video for the Gracie video we do. I'm telling you, so she did come back out. So stay tuned for that in the evening. Alright. Bless up.